guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog and Merry Christmas Eve everybody. It is Christmas Eve today. Jasmine, come here then. Jasmine's got her little jumper on. How cute is that? And Lola, come on then. Lola's got hers on as well, but neither of them are very happy about it. I've literally just done my roots, you guys, and I didn't film it because I've just done it just now. Obviously it's Christmas Eve and I was kind of like, just get it done with, but I'm really, really pleased. I used a box dye. So next time I do it, I might film it for you guys so I can like review it. Oh, look. I said look out! She's my little pudding! She's a bit chubby. I've got my pyjamas on that Mercedes got me. We've got our popcorn. Oopsies. We've also got our new mugs and the hot chocolate and the marshmallows. I know, I'm well excited. So, I just have one present that I want Gregory to open. So he's going to do that now. Oh my god, you guys, I literally haven't recorded it, but show them what you got. I was sat here thinking it was recording and it flipping wasn't. I got him some pyjamas. I know, it's really warm, innit? And then tomorrow we can wear pyjamas all morning because we don't have to worry about getting ready. And then when everyone's gone, then we can like get ready and stuff, can't we? Yeah. Before we go out for dinner. Yay! Oh dear. Right, okay guys, so oh my god! So Greg just asked me to marry him. And he didn't let me record it. So he's naughty, but yeah, that was a bit out of the blue. Wasn't expecting it. And you guys are literally the first people I'm telling. You're not going to be the first to find out, obviously, but I'm going to ring my mum now, even though she already knows because he's asked her. But this is his grandma's ring that I'm just wearing at the moment. And it's really nice and it actually fits. Ooh, I don't even know what to say. We're having a little Christmas shot.
You should get another one.
Cheers! Cheers, everybody!
Merry Christmas.
Woo!
Look at Charlie hanging on by a thread, bless him.
Did you have one, Megan? No. Oh. Right. Okay, guys, so this is really, really random, and I'm not sure whether it's going to work yet, but this is the living room. You guys might have seen it's our little tiny like extension living room, and basically what we want to try and do is swap the living room around with the childminding area. So this will be our living room and that will be the childminding area. So I thought I would just like show you a little bit of what's going on. I'm not gonna like vlog it as it's happening, but yeah, that's what we're gonna try and do. Right, okay guys, I'm really sorry that I haven't really been vlogging very much. It's the next day now anyway. This is what the living room is looking like. Well, this will be the nursery. This is what the nursery is looking like at the moment. And I'm just trying to like move stuff as much as I can. Obviously Greg's at work and my back is actually killing me now. But this is the living room at the moment. There's just stuff everywhere. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to keep on moving bits, and I know I'm going to be suffering tomorrow, but it's fine. It'll be worth it. At least I'm not like being deluded. I know that it's going to happen. You know, I'll be expecting it. So it's fine. Greg's getting his nails and makeup done by Melissa.
I'm a professional. So,
Hi guys, okay, so I've just realised that I never sort of showed you the end results, ignore the state that I'm in right now, of the nursery and the new living room, and I'm absolutely in love with the new living room. So I'm just going to show you guys now. I don't know what's happening with this vlog. It is all over the place, and yeah, but whatever, it's fine. So this is just it as you come in. Look at my girl, it's a bit of a mess at the minute. And I don't know, can I zoom out? Yes, I can. Why does it look worse quality on this lens? I don't get it. But whatever, it's fine. So this is just our chair. This is where all the animals chill. I love this room so much. It's so big. And then obviously, like you guys will have already seen the salon before, but the salon's just through here. This is a mess as well. I've still got all like loads of sorting to do and that. But yeah, I proper love it. It's so nice in here. And it's so warm. And we got this carpet as well. We wanted a rug. This is really big. It probably doesn't look as big on camera, but it's actually a really big rug. And we got it for 40 quid from this carpet place, because it's literally just like a roll of carpet. But it's like much better quality than some of the rugs we were looking at, and so much bigger. And the rugs were like 100 quid. So, yeah, we're pretty pleased with it. Lola, are you so cozy? Are you so cozy there? Yeah. Oh, clever girl. So, yeah. And then I will show you also, if we go through here, I'll just show you what this is looking like. This isn't finished either. It's a bit dark, but this is just in here. And it's just really, like, chilled in here as well now. I don't know, it just works so much better than it did before. And a couple of the kids were, like, talking yesterday, and they were like, oh, it's so much more comfortable in here. I was like, good, because this is where you're staying. So, yes, there's still lots to do, but that is just the gist of it. And I just realised that I forgot to show you guys, so I thought I'd better show y'all.